Hey, hi there. Hi. Welcome today in additional of today's newspaper on Monday. Yes, it's Monday, November the 14th, 2022. We have several weeks to go, and the year will be end. Yes, several weeks. Anyway, in this additional, we have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. Then we have 2 tectonics, one with 4 stars and one with a 1 star. In Dutch, they call it cijferblok. And the last one is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Yes, 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Half of them I will solve. 4 puzzles. Otherwise it will be too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yes, otherwise it will be a day job for me. Well, the first one I will start is for 3 stars Sudoku, and this will be number 5478. 7, 8. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 25 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong, okay? 25 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve. But for a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time and limit. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 1 1. We have here 3 2s, 2 3s, 3 4s, 3 5s, 2 6s, 4 7s. All right. 4 8s, okay, and 1 9, 2 9s. All right, so the 7s and the 8s are a majority. Can I start with the 7s or the 8s? No. The 7, no. But the 8 then 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, here, or there. You see an 8 in this column, no 8 there. Here, an 8 in this column, so no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 should be there. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 in these 3 boxes here, an 8 in this column, no 8 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8, should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So that column, only 2 places left for the 8, should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row, no 8 there, 8 should be there. The 8 in the first row, the 8 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. You see an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So the last row, the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, here, or there. We see an 8 in the third column, no 8 there. Here an 8 in the second column, no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 8. 7. Well. Let me choose for another digit then. We have a 3 in this row, the 3 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9 in this big square. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So we have a 5 in this row, 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in the second column, so no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Well. Difficult. 4 in this row, third row, 4 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in the third column, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the third column. So the column B3 in the second column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in the last row, 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in the last column, 4 in that column. So the column B3, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 and 5, we have a 4 now in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And the 5 goes there. And all the 4s are used, I can see. Digit number 2, number 4, okay. 5, 5. 5, 5. 5, 5. Cannot continue with the 5 now. Now about the 7 still. Yeah, 7 in this row. Third row, 7 in the row above. So in the first row, the only place left for the 7 should be here. 7, 7. 7, 7, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 in these 2 boxes here. 7 in this column. No 7 in that box. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. Well, I think this box should be the 7 because in the second column, 1, 2, 3, 4, we need 4 numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. So the 7 could be here or there in the second column. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column. So first column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Okay. 7. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used, I can see. Digit number 3, number 7. 1 box left in the last row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. Oh, 8, 9, 9. 9, 9. 9, 9, 9. It should be the 9, 9. 9, 9. Okay, cannot continue with the 9. I see. I need more information. How about 1 and the 6? What, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. 2, 2. 2, 2, 2, 2. Well. I'm thinking. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. 5, 5. 5, 5, 5, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and a 9. We have a 3 and a 9 in the second column, so no 3 and a 9 in these 2 boxes. The 3 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as pair. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and a 2, let me mark those. 1 and a 2. So 1 digit left in this column for number. The 1 and the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. Alright, 6 should be here. The 1 missing. 1, 6, and the 2. 2, 2. 1 and 6 also. Alright. 3 9 1 6 6 6. Okay. Well, we have here 1 2 3 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these two boxes. Here can be a 9. We have a 9 in the middle row, so no 9 there. So the only place left for the 9 should be there. So here we have 3 and a 9. I've marked those two boxes earlier. So this box should be a 3 then. Okay. 3 in this column, 3 in the second column. So third column, the only place left for 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. Alright. One box left in this first column for number the 1. The 2 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. Here also I think the same numbers, the 1 and the 6. 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6. Yes, 1 and 6, 1 and 6. Double check. Yes. 1 1. Here should be the 1. 1 here. 1, the 2. How about the 2? We have pair. 3 missing numbers in this middle row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 2 6. 1 2 6. 1 2 6. 1 2 6. And look, we have 1 and 2 in the last column. So no 1 and 2 in this box. The 1 and 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 2. 1 and a 2. So 1 digit left in this middle row for number 6. Alright. 6 6. 1 2 3 3 3 4 5 5 5 5 3 5 and a 9. 3 missing numbers in the last column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 5 9. 3 5 9, 3 5 9, 3 5 9. And look, we have a 3 and a 9 in this row. So no 3 and a 9 in this box. The 3 and a 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and a 9, 3 and 9. So 1 is left in the last column for number 5. Alright. Okay, 5 5. Need a 5. Alright. 7 3 1 or 2. Well, I think this box should be a 1 because in the third row I need a 1. Here can be a 1 in these two boxes because we have a 1 in this big square. So the only place left for the 1 should be there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 2. Alright. 2 numbers left in the third row for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6. Let me mark those. The other pair in this big square, the numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. Here also 3 and a 9. 3 and a 9, okay. So 2 1 6, 2 1 6. Then. Let me see. 1. Yeah. Need a thing. The 6 in this row, the 6 in the middle row, so the row below. The only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in the second row, so no 6 there. 6 should be there. Cannot continue with the 6 now, but 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 and the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Then, well, now we have a 3 here in this row. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 3 and a 9. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Now we have a 9 here in this row. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 1 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Now we have a 1 here in this column. So this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 6. Now we have a 6 in this column. So no 6 in this box. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 2 and the 6. So no 6 in this box. So the 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. The 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Then 3 in this column. 3 in that column. So the column between the middle column. The only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 and 9. We have a 3 now in the second row. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 9 goes there. The 9 in this row, the 9 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 1 box left in this row for the mother. 1, the 2 is missing. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. The 1 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for the rest. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5. We have a 1 in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Well, 3 stars. Well, no. It's a 2 stars puzzle because I'm faster than 20 minutes. I'm real well pleased with the time. And I overlooked this 1 and the 6. We have a 1 here in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 6 goes there. Now it's finished, yes. But it's still a 2 stars puzzle. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you later with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.